So in this problem, it is said that an engineering firm is hired to determine if the waterways in Virginia are safe for fishing. And samples are taken from the three rivers. So we have here the given three rivers. In the first sub part, we are asked to list the elements of the sample space using the letter F for safe to fish and N for not safe to fish. So in order to list all the elements of the sample, let us draw a tree diagram. So we have here the first river, second river, and the third river. So we all know that we have two possible outcomes in the first river, which is the F, neither the N. Same with the second river, we have the F and N, as well as the third river, we have F and N. So now that we have the tree diagram, we can now easily find the possible elements of a sample space. So we have here the F, F, F. That is the first element. And next one, F, F, then N. So we have here the F, F, and N. Next is F, N, F. Another element is the N, F, F, N, F, F. Next one is the F, N, N. Another one is the N, F, N. N, N, F. For the last one, we have the N, N, N. So as you can see, we have 8 possible elements. In the sample space. For the second subpart, we are asked to list the elements of S corresponding to event that at least 2 of the rivers are safe for fishing. So we are just going to look for the output of the 8 possible elements in the sample space and look for 2 possible safe to fish. So we have here the FFF, the FFN, the FNF, the NFF, and that's all. So we have 4 safe to fish in the sample space. For the last subpart, we need to define an event that has its element, the points, which is the FFF, NFF, FFN, and FN. So as we can see, for the first, we have the F, and then N, F, and then N. So for the first part, we have 2F and 2N. Second part, F, 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 F. So we have 4 Fs. For the third river, we have the F, F, N, N. So we have 2 Fs and 2 N. So as you can see, the second river is the safe for fishing, as it implies that the second river is F, 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 F. I got my head out the sun. Before anything else, we need to put the given, which is we have 4 blue balls, 5 red balls, in total of 9 balls. So for the first question, if one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that is blue? So as we can see, we have 4 blue balls out of 9 balls. So this is equal to 0.44. To get the percentage, we need to multiply it into 100, and then the result is 44%. So out of 100%, we have 44% probability that we are getting 1 blue in a draw at random. For the next question, we are asked if 2 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that both are red? So in our first draw, we have the total of 5 red balls out of 9. And then for the second draw, we have left 4 red balls out of 8. So we are just going to multiply the first row to the second row, which is 5 over 9 times 4 over 8. So this is equal to 20 over 72, and the lowest term will be 5 over 18. So it is equal to 0.28, multiply it to 100, and we got the 28% out of 100%. That is the probability that we are getting both red balls. So for the letter C, we are asked if 2 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that one is blue and other is red? So let's say the first draw will be red. So that will be 5 over 9 times 4 over 8. This is the blue, this is the red. So it is equal to 5 over 18. For the second draw, let's say we have the 4 over 9, which is the blue, and the red, which is 5 over 8. That is equal to 5 over 18. And then the result will be added to get the P. That is equal to 5 over 9. Then let's say to decimal point, 0.56, convert it to percentage, it will be 56% out of 100%. We are getting blue and red in 2 drawn at random. And for letter D, we are going to draw at random what is the probability of not getting red. So as we all know, out of 9 balls we have 4. So 4 minus 9, it is equal to 5, which is this is the red balls. So we're going to solve it. 0.56 converted to percentage, it is equal to 56% out of 100 getting red balls, not blue balls. That's all for this exam. Thank you very much.